Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the XREAL One Pro AR glasses, a cutting-edge piece of technology that promises to enhance your augmented reality experience. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The XREAL One Pro is designed to seamlessly blend the digital world with the real one, offering a unique augmented reality experience. These glasses are lightweight and stylish, making them suitable for extended wear. Equipped with advanced optical technology, the XREAL One Pro delivers crisp visuals that bring digital content to life right before your eyes. One of the standout features of the XREAL One Pro is its impressive field of view. With a wide 120-degree view, you can immerse yourself in games, movies, or any augmented reality applications without feeling restricted. The glasses also boast high-resolution displays that ensure vibrant colors and sharp details, so everything from gaming to presentations looks stunning. Additionally, they feature spatial audio technology that creates a surround sound experience, enhancing your overall immersion. These glasses are particularly suitable for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals who want to leverage augmented reality for productivity or entertainment. Imagine being able to overlay digital information onto the physical world while you work on complex tasks or enjoy a game with friends. This makes the XREAL One Pro perfect for architects visualizing projects, educators looking to create engaging learning environments, or gamers wanting to take their experience to the next level. When it comes to practical use cases, the possibilities are endless. You can use the XREAL One Pro for gaming, where the augmented reality overlays provide an interactive gameplay experience that traditional screens simply can't match. For business professionals, these glasses can assist with presentations, allowing you to display data and information in an engaging way. You can even utilize them for everyday tasks like navigating through unfamiliar places with real-time directions projected right in front of you. The XREAL One Pro